Hey everyone, this is Mark at Short Action Customs. In this video, we're going to talk about the modular action wrench, what's included with the kit, how to select the appropriate head, and how to use it. The modular action wrench kit is going to come with the action wrench body. It's going to come with a bag with your long and short Delrin bumper, as well as an 8x32 set screw, and it's going to come with one head of your choice. We designed the modular action wrench to be a very economical solution when you're trying to remove multiple different types of actions. It's a lot less expensive to buy an action wrench head than it is to buy a complete action wrench body at $125. What we did not design the modular action wrench for is removing factory barrels. Those barrels can be torqued up to 300 foot-pounds and are just on too tight and require a special type of action wrench. And you should really contact a professional gunsmith when removing factory actions. The first thing you're going to do when you get your modular action wrench is select the appropriate head. We spent a lot of time designing each head to fit a specific action. So the most important thing you can do is select the appropriate action wrench head for your action. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to install the 8x32 set screw into the front of the modular action wrench body, and you're going to tighten it up until it's finger tight. The two most common questions we get with a modular action wrench is how do I know what head to use and which bumper do I use for my setup. For the action wrench head, you're going to want to reference our website, and that'll clearly list all the actions that are supported and what head is assigned to that action. If your action is not listed, we either do not make one for it or we haven't had that action in yet. But if you have any questions, email us and we will help you out. For the bumper length, what you're going to do is you're going to look at the face of your barrel. If you have a counterbore or a coned breech barrel, you're going to want to use the long bumper. If you have a flat face barrel, you're going to use the short bumper. If you don't know which one to use, I would start with the long bumper, put it on, and then as you put it in, you'll be able to see how well the action wrench head lines up with your ejection port of your action. Now that we've selected the appropriate head and the appropriate bumper, I'm just going to grab the wrench head, slide it on, and I'm going to gently thread and tighten up the Delrin bumper. Now my modular action wrench is ready to use. Next, I'm going to take the modular action wrench body, and I'm going to ensure that the top is on the top, and I'm going to insert it into the back of the action. I'm going to push it forward until it stops and touches the barrel face. If you notice, the back of the action wrench head is either flush to about 1/8 of an inch protruding back from the ejection port front surface. If your action wrench is sticking inside more than 1/8 of an inch, it's probably the wrong bumper. Next, I'm going to use a standard wrench or socket to drive the action wrench, and it's going to loosen up the action from your barrel. When you're done, simply pull the action wrench out and you are complete. In this video, we talked about what's included with the modular action wrench kit, how to select the appropriate bumper, how to select the appropriate head, and how to use the modular action wrench. If you have any questions, please email us at info@shortactioncustoms.com. As a reminder, all of our products have a 100% lifetime warranty against normal wear and tear. We design and manufacture all of these products here in the United States, and I'd like to personally thank you for choosing Short Action Customs, your foundation for precision.